Today I've got to make a wrench for this 4-inch pipe cap, and the rules of the game are I don't have all day. The stores are closed, so I've got what's in my scrap bucket, and I can't ruin this thing while I'm making it because it was expensive and I had to get it specially, and again the stores are closed, so that's it. I got to get this thing done, and right now I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it. Yeah, this is my plan for right now. I'm going to cut each of these pieces off. It looks like I need about 4 inches to include the overlap and everything, and weld them up, cut them off. But okay, so that's going to be attempt 1, and hopefully it'll work. So here's the design I've settled on. I've got double here, double pieces here, single piece here, double, single, double, single, like that. And then if I need to, I guess I can add more later like that. So, but this is what I'm going to start out with and see how it works. I thought you might find this amusing. This is how I did the setup. I used some paper clips, clamped the corners together, and it's sitting on top of a ceramic flower pot wrapped with a rag to protect the threads of the plastic. And my plan is to tack weld the points away from the plastic as best I can. I've got these things in here for shrinkage. I tried this once before. I can show you my failure. And this actually shrinks. It's about 1 millimeter too small. So rather than try to grind on it, just decided to do it again because it's not that hard. Here's the progress report. I welded on this T-bar, 6 millimeter metal. I found this thing, the cut off piece of a tool. I think I will weld it on there. I added another layer along here so that all the sides are double. I don't know if you can see that. So all the sides are double. Seems to fit okay right now. Plan on welding the ends, tack welding the ends a bit. Oop, a little hot. Well, here it is finished. I have the breakover bar on it. So I ended up putting 2 bands of steel all the way around, except for this last band of steel, which is 6 millimeter, and it's got this little ear on it, and I welded the drive socket to it, and that's about it. Now it's time to go use it. Well, here it is. I screwed these 2 end caps on, so works fine. There's the result. Again, hope you found it useful.